So here we are in our next step in the manufacturing process. After the fiberglass parts come out of the glass shop, this is their first stop. This is called the cutting room. All the parts come in here. We will trim off any rough edges that exist yet from the layup process. We also will do any grinding for anywhere we're going to apply adhesives to the parts. We'll also spray on any areas that are going to be seen from inside the boat through like a storage hatch or an engine room access, something like that. We'll spray on the gel coats here in this room also. We also bring the hulls and the decks into this area. We will cut out any type of a hole that needs to be put into it, whether it's an exhaust port, a porthole, through hull for a fitting. All that gets done here in this space. We have a very, very good air filtration system in here, which helps keep the environment clean, helps keep the parts clean when they go into the boat, so you're not transferring dust from area to area inside the boat also. So that's the next stop here in the process. From here, once the parts are completed, they'll go out into the manufacturing area, and then that's where the assembly process starts on the boat. So let's take a walk out there and see the next step.